please allow me to show you how to best read and use the link visibility and the web page category chart. So the link visibility charts show you the visual location of the links on the page. So you'll see here three main categories. We'll have header, footer, and body. So to be as search engines friendly as possible, you should have a lot of links within the body category. Why is that, you might ask? Well, because having a lot of links in the header or footer category might mean that something shady is going on. Or at least this is what the search engines might believe. So a website with a high ratio of links in footer, for instance, might get themselves a penalty, and you don't want it. So this chart is one of the best places to identify if you're on the safe side from a penalty point of view. The web page category chart here helps you identify the contextual relevance between a site and its inbound links. So you can basically see here the topics of the pages that are linking to your site. So if you're having something like a technology app, let's say, it's only normal to see here a lot of links coming from the tech or business category. If you're having like something like a flower shop, again, it's only normal to see here categories like garden, home, maybe art, and so on. Yet, if you're seeing categories that are totally unrelated to your business, like gambling, pharma, adult, and so on, here is the place you can easily identify them and see exactly what's going on. So the link visibility and the web page category chart here can help you identify your competitor's link building strategy, but also it's the best place to spot any unusual linking activity for your own site and even prevent search engines penalty. So best of luck in using them to the fullest.